Welcome back my YouTube channel. MF Cars Review. The Ferrari 812 GTS stands as a testament to Ferrari's commitment to blending unparalleled performance with open-top driving pleasure. Introduced as the Spider variant of the 812 Superfast, it marks the return of a front-mounted V12 convertible after a 50-year hiatus since the 1969 365 GTS-4, famously known as the Daytona Spider. At the heart of the 812 GTS lies a formidable 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an astounding 800 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute. This powerhouse propels the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds, reaching a top speed of 340 km per hour. Notably, 80% of its 718 Nm torque is available at just 3,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring exceptional responsiveness across all driving conditions. The design of the 812 GTS is a harmonious blend of elegance and aggression. Its retractable hardtop can be deployed in a mere 14 seconds at speeds up to 45 km per hour, preserving the cabin spaciousness. Distinctive buttresses and a sculpted rear tack cover not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also optimize aerodynamic efficiency. The draped design of the flanks, characterized by sharply slanted crease lines and muscular wheel arches, imparts a sense of power befitting its V12 heritage. Ferrari's engineering prowess is evident in the 812 GTS's dynamic capabilities. Equipped with electric power steering integrated with the latest vehicle dynamics controls, including the virtual short-wheelbase 2.0 system, it offers unparalleled agility and handling precision. Advanced driver assistance features, such as the Ferrari Peak Performance and Ferrari Power Oversteer, provide intuitive feedback, enhancing driver confidence during spirited driving. Aerodynamically, the 812 GTS has been meticulously crafted to match the performance of its Q8 copyright counterpart. Innovations like the integration of a triplane wing into the rear diffuser compensate for the absence of the rear wheel arch bypass duct, ensuring optimal downforce. Additionally, small L-shaped flaps on the windscreen corners generate vortices that minimize cabin turbulence, allowing occupants to enjoy open-top driving with minimal disturbance. In recent developments, Ferrari has announced plans to discontinue the 812 GTS, along with other models like the SF90 Stradale, as part of its strategy to introduce new models and technologies. This move signifies the end of an era for the 812 GTS, making way for future innovations in Ferrari's lineup. The 812 GTS is not just a car, it's a symphony of engineering, design, and heritage. It pays homage to Ferrari's rich lineage of V12 convertibles while setting new benchmarks in performance and luxury. For enthusiasts and collectors, the 812 GTS represents the pinnacle of open-top motoring, embodying the spirit of freedom and the thrill of driving that Ferrari is renowned. Thanks for watching.